Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something super simple but incredibly powerful, our 5-minute gratitude challenge. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to boost your mood and shift your mindset by focusing on the good things in your life. Research shows that gratitude can increase happiness, reduce stress, and improve our overall mental well-being. The best part? You don't need a lot of time to feel the benefits. So let's dive right in and take just 5 minutes today to practice gratitude. Here's how the challenge works. Grab a pen and paper, your journal, or even open the Notes app on your phone. I want you to write down 3 things you're grateful for today. And remember, they don't have to be big things. It could be something as small as your morning cup of coffee or a great conversation you had. Okay, I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about it, and then we'll start. Ready? Let's go. Think about moments that made you smile today, people who have supported you, or even small things that made your day just a little brighter. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just focus on things that make you feel good, even if they're small or seem ordinary. Alright, time's up. Look at your list. How does it feel to see these things written down? Take a moment to really appreciate them. Gratitude helps us focus on the positive, even when life feels overwhelming. And the best part? You can come back to this practice anytime. Now, here's my challenge to you. Try doing this for 5 minutes every day this week. It's such a small time commitment, but I promise the results will surprise you. And if you enjoyed today's 5-minute gratitude challenge, let me know what you're grateful for in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's bringing positivity into your life. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick challenges and tips on living your best life. Until next time, stay grateful and take care.